In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a coupon code on InVideo AI plans. To get started, head over to the InVideo AI website and sign into your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before moving forward, especially if you already have an existing subscription or you're planning to upgrade. This helps ensure the discount is applied to the right plan and billing profile. Once you're signed in, find and click the pricing section. Here, you'll be able to view the available plans and compare what each one includes. Take a moment to choose the plan you want to purchase or the one you'd like to upgrade to if you're already using the platform. After selecting the right option, click Upgrade or Subscribe to continue to the checkout page. When you arrive at checkout, look carefully for the field labeled coupon code, promo code, or discount code. The exact wording can vary slightly, but it serves the same purpose. This is where you'll enter your code. Type in your valid coupon code exactly as it was provided. It's important to match the spelling, capitalization, and any numbers or symbols correctly, since even a small mistake can prevent the code from working. After entering the code, click Apply to redeem it. The page should then refresh or update the pricing details. Before you continue, verify that the discount has actually been applied to your order total. This is an important step because you want to make sure the final amount reflects the coupon before payment is processed. If the price doesn't change, double check the code and confirm that it's still valid for the plan or billing cycle you selected. If everything looks correct, move on to the payment section and enter your payment details if required. Then review your subscription information carefully. Pay attention to the billing cycle, the selected plan, and the final discounted price so there are no surprises after checkout. Once you've confirmed everything, click Subscribe, Pay, or Complete Purchase to finish your order. After that, your plan should be activated based on the option you selected. And that's it. That's how to apply a coupon code on InVideo AI plans. If you're following along, just take your time at checkout and always confirm that the discount appears before you complete the purchase.